Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Perkenalkan,
warahmatullahi
nama saya.
wabarakatuh.
Hmm? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Salkita Kencana. Saya di sini sebagai discussion leader dan ini anggota-anggota saya. Silahkan perkenalkan diri kalian beserta role-nya masing-masing.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Raja Pramudia Diti, saya sebagai Sumariza.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Gilang Septian Putra sebagai konektor.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Zahra Malika Vivi, saya sebagai Terminator.
Memperkenalkan saya Yobert Christopher Adila sebagai paragraf master.
Terakhir saya Muhammad Jad Kusuma sebagai ilustrator.
Baik, cukup. Ini pertanyaan dari saya. Silahkan kalian jawab sesuai pendapat masing-masing. What influenced Pepper to become good friends with Koja? And with what mistakes did Pepper make in this story so that it would and their friendship would end? Tolong jawab dari semua Reza.
Baik, Pepper become good friends with Poja to a shared experience involving a study group after Twitter war. Pepper mistake was engaging in hacking and phone-related activities, which led to conflict the decision to end the Twitter war and their budding friendship.
Baik, ini pertanyaan dari saya. People becomes good friends with Koja due to their involvement in a Twitter war, which stem from conflict. People's mistake in the story, including the Weasel apps, which triggers a Twitter war and hacking, which disrupt the relationship and causes tensions. Terima kasih.
Oke, ini jawaban saya sebagai Terminator. Pepper likely become good friends with Pooja because the two began interacting and eventually supporting each other in the same environment, perhaps at school or in out of school activities such as study groups. This often occurs in social dynamic where people may initially be enemies or not relate at all, but certain situation or shared interest bring them together. The mistake Pepper makes in this story is hiding or not being honest about several things to Jack, especially regarding his feelings for Eden. This created distrust and tension between them. Leads to the relationship honey open conversation. This mistake caused them experience tension in their friendship, but in the end they were able to repair and continue their relationship on a better basis. Terima kasih.
Oke, untuk jawaban saya sebagai paragraf master, Pepper and Puja become good friends because a conflict that initially occurred on Twitter forced them to interact more deeply, which then revealed positive sides of each that may not have been visible before, dropping more personal interaction and working together in some way. They began to understand and appreciate each other. The mistake made by Pepper can be taken that she got involved in a Twitter war, which might bring negative consequences and pressure for her parents. Their friendship didn't really end. Instead, the friendship between Pepper and the other characters seems to grow stronger after the conflict subsides and they can stop feeding on Twitter once the hurt things is over. In conclusion, Pepper and her friends learn to overcome their difference and conflict, which then allows them to see and give side to each other and build stronger relationship. Terima kasih.
Terakhir untuk jawaban dari saya, Pepper and Poja become a good friend because they are involved in the same study group. And the Pepper mistake was making a huge mess due to stress in the kitchen and have been banned from baking in the apartment for the rest of the week. And Pepper feel like they need to stop tweeting on Weasel to avoid any complicated issues arising. Sekian dari saya. Terima kasih.
Baik, cukup. Terima kasih. Selanjutnya, jelaskan isi cerita dari teks yang telah kita diskusikan sesuai role masing-masing. Dari Sumareza.
Baik, ini dari Summarizer. The text describes teenagers' evening spent with their grandmother, Grandma Belly, watching TV and eating. Later, they retreat to their room feeling a mix of emotion as they work on surprise project. The restlessness and frustration grow as they overhear a conversation between their mother and brother. And highlight the family dynamic and their feelings of overshadow. They find solace in taking a friend Pepper with whom they formed an unexpected bond through a Twitter war, discussing their complicated feeling towards their siblings and hitting a future meeting. Sekian dari
Baik, ini role saya sebagai konektor. The story in this text is similar to reality because everyday life is often filled with complicated family dynamics and unexpected friendship as they shifted in the story. Many obvious experience mixed feeling tour of families such as love and frustration. The story also reflects how important communication is both with ourselves and with other. Sekian, terima kasih.
Oke, ini jawaban dari saya sebagai terminator. DVR, digital video recording, alat untuk merekam dan menyimpan program TV secara digital, seperti episode Outlander yang disebut dalam cerita. Laptop, komputer portable yang digunakan karakter untuk bekerja atau belajar dalam konteks ini untuk melakukan yang bisa. Telepon yang digunakan untuk mengirim pesan teks dalam cerita ini digunakan untuk berkomunikasi dengan Pepper. Aplikasi, program yang dijalankan di perangkat elektronik seperti aplikasi Weasel yang digunakan untuk berinteraksi dengan teman-teman. Wi-Fi, teknologi nirkabel yang digunakan untuk menghubungkan perangkat ke internet yang harus diperbaiki oleh Ethan dalam cerita. Email, pesan elektronik yang diterima oleh karakter dari sekolah atau organisasi terkait dengan informasi dari aplikasi Weasel. Twitter, platform media sosial yang disebut dalam konteks peran win antara karakter dalam cerita. Hubseat, kemungkinan merujuk pada sebuah acara komunitas yang disebut Hub, yang mungkin memiliki hubungan dengan teknologi atau inovasi. Peretasan, aktivitas komputer atau jaringan yang disebut dalam konteks berbicara tentang masalah-masalah yang terjadi. Telepon, alat komunikasi yang digunakan untuk berbicara jarak jauh, meskipun dalam konteks cerita ini mungkin merujuk pada panggilan telepon atau pesan teks. Sekian jawaban dari saya. Terima kasih.
Oke, untuk jawaban saya sebagai role paragraph master, the story presented has several interesting parts that can be highlighted. Here are the parts I chose along with explanation of why they are interesting. Interaction with Grandma Belly, anxiety and blood work, conversation with Pepper, family conflict and identity, conclusion relationship with Gilbert. These chapters are interesting because they provide insight into the dynamics of the relationship between the characters, the internal and external conflict they face, and the important decision made by the main character. Each part adds layer to the story, making it rich and deeper. Terima kasih.
Terakhir untuk dari role ilustrator ya, izin share screen. Ya, ini kan untuk gambarnya menceritakan tentang dua orang yang sedang berbincang melalui media sosial. Jadi ini ibaratnya antara Jack sama dari Pepper. Itu aja. Sekian dari ilustrator. Terima kasih.
Baik, terima kasih. Mungkin cukup sekian Zoom meeting kita kali ini. Apa ada yang ingin ditanyakan? Kalau tidak ada yang ditanyakan, mari kita akhiri. Dan wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.